Hello everyone, as the Energy Ministry of Singapore, I would like to propose a solution to help Singapore achieve SDG energy goals by 2030. Currently, 94% of Singapore's energy are from natural gas, and only 4% are from renewable energy. Therefore, it shows that the energy situation right now is not sustainable. And in that 4% of renewable energy, the main sources are hydropower, wind energy, and solar energy. Our goal is SDG 7.2, to increase substantially the share of renewable energy in the global energy mix. And more specifically for Singapore, we would like to increase the amount of renewable energy to 30% by 2030. However, there are quite a lot of limitations when implementing renewable energy. Like the average wind speed in Singapore is quite low, therefore it is not effective to implement wind energy. Also, the river system in Singapore is also quite slow, therefore it is not effective to implement hydropower as well. Therefore, the best solution would be focus the development on solar power. My proposal is to provide a 30% funding to companies for solar energy. This can reduce their costs for solar panels, and this financial assistance can encourage more research and development. And as these companies develop more advanced technology, the number of solar panels can increase exponentially. This is our predicted progress for the coming 5 years, and the estimation is based on the growth in solar panels in China, as we estimate a similar growth rate with the financial support. And in total, by adding up these percentages, we can produce a total of 10 gigawatts of solar energy in 5 years. On average, it costs $0.2 per watt, and so it costs $2 billion to produce 10 gigawatts of solar energy. And we will fund 30% of the cost. Therefore, we can times 0.3 to 2 billion, and then we can get $600 million. And this is our total estimated expenditure. $600 million is equivalent to 800 million Singapore dollars. So our final budget will be 800 million. And this estimation is optimistic, and we might provide extra fundings if companies need help. And overall, this is approved by the Ministry of Economy. And this is my proposal. Thank you.